consider the fact na marami pa pong testigong iprepresenta ang prosecution kaugnay ng Article 1, no? Yung kay Wamel, it pertains only to compliance or non-compliance with Joint Circular 2015-01. But remember, no, our allegations is confined on the grounds for impeachment. So asahan po ninyo na marami pang testigo ang magsasalaysay upang kumumpleto dun sa naging alegasyon ng prosecution sa ating articles of impeachment. I must say that the testimony of Wamil, while it is very much significant, is not enough to complete the theory of Article 1 of the Articles of Impeachment. Marami pa po ang nakalinyang testigo kaugnay pa rin nitong confidential fund.